If you are looking for an AI that actually can manage your life, not just answer questions, you have probably heard about Dola AI. But is it really the best AI in 2026 or just another overhyped tool? Let's break it down quickly. What is Dola AI? Dola AI is basically an AI assistant focused on productivity. Its main goal is simple: help you manage your time, tasks, and schedule automatically. Unlike typical AI chatbots, Dola connects directly with your calendar and messaging apps like WhatsApp or Telegram. You can literally send it a message like schedule a meeting tomorrow at 5 p.m. and it does it for you. Key features: smart scheduling. This is Dula's strongest feature. It understands natural language and turns it into calendar events instantly. No need to open apps or manually input anything. Number two, chat based control. You do not need to learn a new interface, you just chat with it like you would with a person. Number three, reminders and follow ups. Dula doesn't just set events, it reminds you and helps you stay on track. It can even suggest better time slots if you are overloaded. Cross platform integration works with popular tools like Google Calendar and messaging apps, which makes it very practical for daily use. Pros: very easy to use, especially for beginners, saves time by automating scheduling, works inside apps you already use, great for busy people or freelancers. Cons: not as powerful as full AI tools like ChatGPT for complex tasks, limited mainly to productivity and scheduling. Some features may require premium access, depends heavily on integrations working properly. Who should use Dola AI? Dola AI is perfect if you struggle with managing your schedule, if you want a simple, no learning curve AI assistant, and if you prefer chatting instead of using multiple apps. But it is not ideal if you want an all in one AI for writing, coding, or research, and if you need deep customization or advanced automation, it is not also ideal. Dola versus other AI tools. Compared to tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, Doula is more focused. It doesn't try to do everything, it just does scheduling really well. Think of it like this: ChatGPT equal brain, Doula AI equal personal assistant. If your main problem is time management, Doula might actually be more useful. Pricing: Doula AI usually offers a free version with basic features, but for advanced scheduling and integrations, you will likely need a paid plan. The pricing is generally affordable, especially if it replaces multiple productivity tools. Final verdict and conclusion. So, is Doula AI the best AI in 2026? Not really. But is it one of the best AI assistants for productivity? Yes, definitely. If you want something simple, fast, and actually useful in daily life, Doula AI is worth trying. And that is it for today's review. If you find it helpful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments, would you use Doula AI or stick with traditional apps? I'll be so glad to hear from you. Share this video to your friend who wants to be more productive. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.